Welcome back to Gurudeva online classes. Dear students, in the previous class we were discussed about sum it up, A main, B main, C main. And today we are going to discuss about sum it up, D main, E main, the next others, HOTS, value based questions. Okay dear student, shall we start? Okay. In the sum it up, D main, these questions are belongs to your textbook, fill in your textbook. In the E main, you write in your notebook. Okay dear student. Then compare the fractions, D main, compare the fractions even greater than or less than or is equal to. Okay dear student, shall we start? Okay. The first one, 16 by 27 dash 16 by 18. You compare 16, here numerators are same, denominators are changes. When the numerators are same, which denominator is smaller, that is greater number. Which denominator is greater, that is smaller fraction. Okay dear students, when the numerators are same, which fraction denominator is smaller, that is greater fraction. Which fraction denominator is greater, that is a smaller fraction when numerators are same. Okay then, so you observe in the 16 divided by 27, 16 divided by 18. So 16 divided by 27 is less than 16 divided by 18. It means a smaller fraction. This is compared to 16 divided by 18. Are you clear? Yes. The next second one, 3 by 4. The next 1 by 4. Compare these two fractions. In the denominators are same here. Okay. When the denominators are same, which fraction numerator is greater? Which fraction numerator is greater? That is greater fraction. You learned already. Okay. The next, which fraction numerator is smaller? That is smaller fraction. So 3 by 4 compared to the 1 by 4, this is greater. So which sign they are coming? Yes, 3 by 4 is greater than the 1 by 4. Yes, dear student, are you clear? Rest of the two questions, your homework. Okay, dear student. The next, go to the E main. Write ascending and descending order in. Write ascending and descending orders in these fractions. Here given one fraction, I will take a second one. First one, your homework. Here fraction is 9 by 24, 9 by 16, 9 by 30, 9 by 11, 9 by 21. Dear student, these fractions or numerators are same. Okay, numerators are same. When the numerators are same, the given fractions, which fraction denominator is very smaller number, that is greater fraction. In these fractions, which fraction denominator is very greater, that is smaller fraction. So that's why you compare the ascending and descending orders. Ascending orders, you know, smaller to bigger. It means smaller to greater. Descending order, you know, greater or bigger to smaller. So that's like you arrange. Here, which is smaller fraction? These compare these fractions. You know, 9 by 24. Because why? In these numerators are same. Which fraction denominator is very greater? That is smaller fraction. Your 24 is greater compared to these fractions. So this is very smaller. Okay, this is very smaller. So you take first this one, 9 by 24. The next, neglect 9 by 24. Compare these fractions, which is very smaller fraction. In these fractions, which fraction denominator is very greater, that is smaller fraction. So compare these fractions, 16, 13, 11, 21. 21 is the smaller. 9 by 21. The next, compare these fractions. 9 by 16 is the smaller fraction. The next, compare these fractions. 9 by 13 is the smaller. The next, remaining 9 by 11. This is arranging in ascending orders. Dear student, when the denominators is same, given fractions, when the denominators is same, which fraction denominator is greater? That is very smaller fraction. Don't confuse, okay? that is very smaller fraction. Okay, that's why I will take 9 by 24 is the first. This is a very smaller fraction compared to the 9 by 11. Okay, compared to these fractions. Okay, dear student, this is the ascending order. The next descending order, you write the opposite form. This is descending order. Descending order means which is greater. Compare these fractions, 9 by 11 is greater. Okay, you write opposite side 9 by 11, the next 9 by 13, the next 9 by 16, the next 9 by 21, the next 9 by 24. This is the descending order. Descending order means even greater to smaller fractions. 9 by 11 is greater. Compare these fractions. Because when the numerators are same, which fraction denominator is very smaller, that is greater fraction. Are you clear, dear student? The rest of first question, that fractions denominators are same. So when the denominators are same, in the which fraction numerator is very greater, that is greater fraction. You know already. So that one question your homework. Okay, dear student, move to the next concept, odds. Odds, all of you open the page number 180. 180. What is the question? A question. A main. A cake is to be shared equally by 6 friends. Only 3 straight cuts can be made. So how will you cut? Dear student, one of the cake is there. Total 6 friends is there. So in that cake you cut in the 3 straight cuts. It means divided by equal parts of or 6 friends. Okay, dear students, you cut 6 friends to 3 equal straight lines. Okay, in this is one of the cake. You cut 3 straight lines. That is easily divided by 6 parts. This is one straight line. The next, this is another one straight line. The next, this is another one straight line. Total 3 straight lines. Totally divided by 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We cut 3 straight lines. This like you draw in your notebook. Okay, dear student. The next, move to the B main. Fill in the boxes with the suitable fraction to complete the following. Okay, here one dash is there, second dash. You add these 2 dashes, you get answer is 1. Which fraction they are coming? Dear student, 1 by 2 we call off. Yes. Here also 1 by 2 you call off. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. We get answer is 1. How that is possible, dear student? See how that is possible. When the denominators is same, in the given fractions, denominators is same, you take that is common. 2 is common. Okay. Here how many fractions is there? You don't worry. Okay. You take 2 is common because why? Here also 2, here also 2 denominators. You take 2 is common. The next numerators you add. It means here symbol is, your sign is addition sign. So 1 plus 1. How much, dear student? 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes, are you clear? Now you subtract these 2. Otherwise cancel here also. Otherwise divide these 2. Okay. 2 how much? 2 2. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2. Yes, dear student. We get answer is 1. Yes, that's right. This like also you do 2 here 2 division method. Okay, 2 how much? 2 2 1 ja 2 0. Yes, this what is the quotient? Quotient is 1. Your answer is right. Here 1 is coming, you add 1 by 2, 1 by 2, you get answer is 1. That's like here also 1 is coming, answer. So suitable fractions, which are suitable fractions? 1 by 4 quarter, in 60 minutes 4 quarters they are coming. That is 1 hour, consider, learned in the last classes. So you take 1 by 4 fraction, 1 by 4 here also. Here also 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 4. You get answer is 1. How that is possible, dear student? You know denominators is same. You take denominators common, that is 4. The next numerators, you add numerators. Okay. How much numerators is there? Denominator, you take denominator 4. That's common. Okay. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Yes, 4 by 4. 4 1 ja 4. Yes, dear student, you get answer is 1. That is correct. That's like in the third one. Here 5 boxes is there. So which fraction is there coming? Yes, your answer is right. 1 by 5 is the fraction. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Yes, dear student. How do you get one answer? Yes, here 5 is denominator, 5 is same. You take 5 common. The next add numerators. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many ones is there? 5 ones. You write 5. Okay, 5 1 ja. 5 1 ja, that is cancelled. Your answer is 1. You get answer is 1. That's why otherwise you write here. Division method. 5 divided by 4. 5 how much ja 5? 5 1 ja 5. That's clear. The quotient is 1. Your answer is right. Are you clear, dear student? Okay, dear student, shall we move to the next main? Value based question. What is the value based question, dear student? All of you observe 180 page number. Value based question. Ashwin had 5 sandwiches in his lunch box. On his way to school, he gave 2 sandwiches to a boy on the roadside who was hungry. What fraction of sandwiches he gave to the boy? Write the fraction in words also. What values does Ashwin's behavior shows? Dear student, Ashwin had 5 sandwiches in his lunch box. He is going to school. On the way, 2 sandwiches to gave to the on the roadside who was hungry, the boy. So write in this process in fraction method. Then what values does Ashwin's behavior shows? So dear student, he had total sandwiches of 5. 5 indicated whole. Okay, dear student, total sandwiches are 5. How much sandwiches he gave? Yes, 2 sandwiches. That is 2 sandwiches. The fraction is 2 by 5. That the method of fraction is 2 by 5 is the fraction method. So the question is, what values does Ashwin's behavior shows? Option A, helpfulness. Option B, regularity. Then option C, sincerity. Option A, helpfulness is the right answer. So you take helpfulness. Okay, dear student. The next, mental maths. Totally 10 questions is there. I will solve 5 questions, rest of the 5 your homework. Okay, dear students, what is the first one? There are dash 1/7 in whole. Dear student, there are dash 1/7 in whole. Here written, this is word form is there, 1/7. How do you write in fractions? Here you write in the fractions, that is 1 by 7. That is 1/7. So there are 1/7 in whole. Which is whole here? Yes, 7 is whole number. So you write here 7. That is correct answer. Are you clear? The next second one. The numerator in fraction 3 by 11. Which is numerator in fraction 3 by 11? Dear student, you learned already what is the numerator in this fraction. Yes, 3 is the numerator. Are you clear? Yes. 11 is denominator. Okay, dear student. The next fourth one. Fraction of white pot in our national flag is dash. Fraction of white pot in our national flag. You know, national flag, 3 colors is there. So in this 3 colors, white pot. How do you write in the fraction white pot? Total colors are 3. The white pot is 1. So you write 1 by 3 is the fraction method. Okay, dear student. The next, 1 by 3 of 24 candles is equal to dash. Is equal to dash. Dear student, dash candles is equal to dash candles. So you write this like 1 by 3 of 24. It means your 24 is divided by 3. 3 how much the 24 days, student? Yes, 3 8s are 24. Yes, dear student, 0 0. 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. So it means 1 by 3 of 24 candles is equal to 8 by 24 candles. 8 by 24 candles is the answer. 1 by 3 of 24 candles is equal to 8 by 24 candles. Are you clear? Yes. The next, which is bigger fraction in these two fractions? Given fraction 7 by 13, 7 by 11. You know, dear students, when the numerators is the same, which fraction denominator is very smaller number, that is greater fraction. Which fraction denominator is very greater number, that is smaller fraction. So in these fractions, numerators are same. Which is bigger? Yes, 7 by 11 is the bigger. 7 by 11 is the bigger. Okay, dear student. Rest of the other questions, your homework. Okay, dear student. In this class, in the 7th lesson, fractions, that is completed. In the next class, we will discuss about next lesson. The lesson name is, you know already, money. Okay, dear students.